If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform this Dollar Tree wine glass into this lovely Juneteenth themed rhinestone embellished glass, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video I am going to be embellishing a wine glass. I feel like I haven't done a wine glass in forever. So because Juneteenth is tomorrow, I am going to make this wine glass the colors to represent Juneteenth. So I already have my rhinestones out right here. I'm going to be using red, green, and black rhinestones. This glass came from the Dollar Tree and it stuck out to me because as you can see it has like a smoky glass tint to it. So I thought this would be a really nice glass to use for this project. I have my Sharpies here. I'm just going to color in a little bit on here the colors that I'll be using. I couldn't find my red, so I'm going to use the orange, so hopefully it doesn't throw things off. And I'll be using a wax pickup tool to pick up the rhinestones and place them on the glass. And I'll be wiping the glass off with alcohol, Dollar Tree alcohol. And today the glue I'm going to be using is called Liquid Fusion. This is one of my favorite glues and I get this off Amazon for about $12, between $11 and $12. It has a very light smell and it's pretty strong. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So right here I'm adding the black on with my Sharpie. And this is all optional. I just feel like it gives it a better coverage when I add the color of the Sharpie that I'm going to use as the same color as the rhinestone. So I've colored it up and I kind of made it to where I can have 2 rows of certain colors, just some random design. And I'm just taking the 5mm rhinestones and placing them on the black Sharpie area where I filled it in. And I'm just going to continue to kind of make it nice and tight. I tried to do a honeycomb method, but I'm not at the point where I'm just super perfect with laying the rhinestones. I just try my best to get them to fit as closely as I possibly can so it's not a lot of spacing. So the further up I get, the better it looks as all the colors are added. And it's just completely random. I did add a nice amount of green. I did less red, probably could have did more red. I decided to add a decal onto this glass, onto this area. I've wiped it off with alcohol already. And I just typed in the words Juneteenth with a cute little cursive. And I'm going to go ahead and add that on now. Okay, so I decided to make a shot glass as well. I've already colored it in with my Sharpie. I'm going to start adding the rhinestones. I've already colored this in with my Sharpie, so I'm just going ahead and adding the rhinestones on the color of the Sharpie color that I used, and I'm almost finished. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of this Juneteenth themed Dollar Tree wine glass, and I really like this glass. This is probably actually one of my favorite glasses that I've done, and I haven't done a wine glass in a while, so it really felt good doing a wine glass after all this time, especially making it be dedicated to Juneteenth. The colors are very pretty. They're very vibrant to me, especially because I used the Sharpie behind it. Again, you don't have to do that, and if you don't have a Sharpie, you can definitely use some regular craft paint. Now, I think I did pretty good using the red vinyl. I cut that out with my Silhouette Cameo. And because I didn't use as much red on the glass, it really brought it out. Also, because the glass does have like a black smoky undertone to it, a dark color, I think the red was the brightest color and it made sense to use the red. So this video, it's already after Juneteenth, a couple days after. I wasn't able to get this up as soon as I wanted to. But this doesn't have to just go for Juneteenth. You can absolutely make a wine glass like this with a matching shot glass with any colors that you desire. You could do Christmas colors. You can do Kwanzaa colors. You can do Hanukkah colors, whatever you decide to do. The colors of your favorite basketball team, baseball team. It's just a really cute idea. And it doesn't really take that long. I use 5mm rhinestones, but the red rhinestones are 4mm. And I just threw the shot glass in because I just thought it'd be cute to have it like as a set. It's super cute. This will make a great gift for someone. A very nice birthday gift, bridal shower gift, or if you're having like maybe next year, if you have like a Juneteenth get together, just to have something like this sitting out as decorations would be very nice. Well, thanks you guys for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up or share it on Facebook. I really hope that you did get some cool ideas from this video. And you can follow me on Instagram at Life is a Whole Vibe with underscores in between each word if you'd like to. If you'd like to subscribe to this channel, that would be awesome. But if not, thanks for stopping by. But if you do decide to subscribe to this channel, make sure that you do hit that notification bell so that you will be alerted each time I upload a video. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Bye-bye. Hello to all my new subscribers. I just recently hit 16,000 subscribers. I'm very excited about that. And hello to all of my subscribers. Thanks for watching this channel. Website myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10OFF. Check out our website crtacticaldefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers.